Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm co-hosting the Shine Pink Open Collaboration, where we have asked participants to do anything of their choice, making sure to include something in the color pink and to mention a woman that inspires or has inspired them, all in support of breast cancer awareness. This collaboration was founded in memory of Leanie's sister Gloria, who passed away at a much too young age after a valiant fight against breast cancer. Gloria's birthday was in the month of August, and for this reason, in honor of her, we host this collaboration in August. Gloria's battle with breast cancer and eventual passing was no doubt a difficult time for Leanie and her family, and for them, I say a prayer. Our co-host Sandy has fought her own battle against breast cancer, and I'm happy to say she has won. You would never know it to see her, the struggle she has endured. In Sandy's videos, you will see an outgoing, vibrant, and kooky person who clearly loves life. And isn't that what struggles in life are all about? Coming out of them with a renewed understanding and appreciation of our time on this earth. It reminds us that life is precious and must be cherished. In last year's Shine Pink collab, I posted a video where I spoke about losing my cousin to cancer, breast cancer. Angie was diagnosed around the age of 29 and passed away in the year 2000 at the age of 39, leaving behind, among others, two beautiful daughters aged 11 and 14. Only 4 months prior to her passing, I became a mother myself, and I couldn't imagine what Angie must have gone through knowing she was leaving her daughters behind. The two girls, I'm happy to report, went on to become beautiful, successful women who are now mothers themselves. My goodness, how time flies. I also have two aunts, one on my mother's side and one on my father's side, who had breast cancer, were treated, and thankfully survived. It's my understanding that since my cousin's passing in 2000, that treatment for breast cancer has come a long way and the survival rate is much higher. Praise the Lord for all the research and awareness that has taken place for this cause and that continues on today. If you or someone you know has battled breast cancer and you don't mind sharing it with me, please let me know about it in my comments. I will say a prayer. Thank you so much for watching this video, which covers a topic that is very near and dear to my heart and to the hearts of so many. A big thank you to Leanie for asking me to co-host this special collaboration in honor of her beautiful sister, Gloria. Please click on the playlist, which is linked in my description box, to watch Leanie's video, Sandy's video, and all the creations of the other participants. Thank you. Please be sure to watch to the end as I share with you a few tidbits of information about breast cancer.